What if luxury wasn't about showing off, but about making every journey feel completely effortless? The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom represents that idea better than almost any other car. It is enormous, elegant, powerful, and built around one simple philosophy: nothing should disturb the comfort of the people inside. Welcome back to the channel Elite Gorade. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom, exploring its exterior design, performance, interior luxury, technology, driving experience, and expected price. So let's get started. From the first look, the Phantom immediately commands attention. The front end carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce identity with its iconic upright grille, refined Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, and beautifully sculpted bodywork. The lighting design adds a modern touch while maintaining the classic presence that has made the Phantom one of the world's most recognizable luxury cars. From the side, the Phantom has an exceptionally long and elegant profile. Its large proportions, perfectly balanced wheel design, long wheelbase, and coach-style doors create an appearance that feels more like a private luxury lounge than an ordinary automobile. Every surface is carefully shaped, and the paintwork is designed to deliver deep reflections and an extremely premium finish. At the rear, the Phantom keeps things sophisticated rather than overly aggressive. The clean tail design, premium LED lighting, chrome details, and large body create an unmistakable sense of presence. This is a car that doesn't need dramatic styling tricks to attract attention. Its proportions alone do the job. When it comes to performance, the Phantom is not designed to be a track-focused supercar. Its purpose is effortless power. The latest Phantom generation uses a powerful twin-turbocharged V12 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, delivering strong acceleration while maintaining the quiet and relaxed character expected from a Rolls-Royce. The real magic happens behind the wheel. The Phantom is engineered to isolate its passengers from the road, using sophisticated suspension, technology, and advanced chassis systems to deliver an exceptionally smooth ride. The steering is effortless, the acceleration is calm, and even at highway speeds, the cabin remains remarkably peaceful. But the interior is where the Phantom truly separates itself from almost every other luxury vehicle. Open the doors and you enter an environment built around craftsmanship. Premium leather, carefully selected wood, polished metal, handcrafted details, and extraordinary attention to fit and finish surround the passengers. The rear cabin is especially impressive, offering executive-style seating designed for passengers who value privacy and comfort. One of the Phantom's most famous features is its starlight headliner, which transforms the roof into a beautiful collection of illuminated stars. Depending on the specification, customers can personalize materials, colors, embroidery, and other details to create a vehicle that feels almost completely unique. Technology is also integrated throughout the cabin, but Rolls-Royce avoids allowing screens and electronics to dominate the experience. Instead, technology works quietly in the background, supporting navigation, entertainment, climate control, connectivity, and driver assistance while preserving the traditional luxury atmosphere. Now let's talk about the price. The 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom is expected to remain one of the most expensive production luxury sedans available. Depending on the market, configuration, customization, taxes, and options, pricing can easily move well beyond the standard starting price. A heavily customized Phantom can cost dramatically more, with bespoke features adding hundreds of thousands of dollars to the final bill. So is the 2027 Rolls-Royce Phantom worth it? If your priority is maximum performance for the money, probably not. But if your definition of luxury is craftsmanship, silence, exclusivity, comfort, personalization, and effortless presence, the Phantom remains in a category of its own. This is more than transportation. It is a statement of craftsmanship and automotive luxury. Thanks for watching Elite Gorade. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more upcoming luxury car reviews. See you in the next video.